Hi, I'm Chris with SOG Knives. I'm going to show you some of our new products for 2018 at the SHOT Show. First product we have here, this is called the Bite. It's a little bottle opener, fits onto a MOLLE webbing on your pack. Also mount on a shoulder strap, a belt. When you're, at the end of the day, you pop the beer bottle open, ready to go. That's the Bite. And then kind of keeping on the bottle opener theme, we went from the Bite, we go to the Tron here. Tron, you have a little bottle opener as well on the back of the lock back. So it's a folding lock back knife. It's got a nice little blade there. Push down on the lock bar, close it. Cool thing about it is you got this key ring here. You can put your keys on it. And the way you do that, there's a little tab right here. You slide this back, it unlocks, and it snaps back in there, securely locking it. So you can put it on a D-ring, hook it on your pack, hook it on your belt loops. You can hook keys onto it. Super nice, super cool. All stainless steel construction. Got a nice little folding lockback knife there. This is the Tron. And again, nice little bottle opener on there. And then from the Tron, we'll go to the Flare. The Flare here is our newest assisted opening knife. It's got a glass reinforced nylon handle. Got a low profile pocket clip on there, reversible, like most of our pocket clips. Has a safety lever on the side here, so when it shows red, it's like a firearm, it's live, ready to go. And you just take, and I'll do it with my left hand, you push out on the thumb stud, blade opens up, locks into place. So you slide the little lock lever back and close the blade. So again, you just slide, try and do it with I'll do it with my index finger here, so push out on the thumb stud there. Blade opens up, locks into place. Nice clip point blade, stainless steel. Again, this is the Flare here. And then from the Flare, we go to one of our automatics. This is a new automatic we're doing. Just like all of our other, this is the SOG Mini platform. It's got a hard anodized aluminum handle. Again, reversible, low carry pocket clip on there. They have a safety switch. Forward is locked, back is unlocked. But what we've done with this one is we've designed this for the California market. In California, automatic knives under 2 inches are legal. So I'll just push down on the blade here. You've got a full-size handle with a little 2-inch blade. Features our cryogenic AUS 8 stainless steel blade, black tie-dye coated. Again, you just push the lock button there, close it, snaps back open there. And it's a good knife. It fits really well in your hand. See, make a great fighting knife as well. So again, this is a SOG California Auto. And nice little hard anodized aluminum handles. From that, we'll go into our fixed blade offering for this year. This is called the Ace. Got a nice molded nylon sheath. Got a belt clip on there as well in the back. It's not reversible. It's only on one side. You have the line cutter in the sheath that we've been using for a while. It's a nice friction fit. Snaps right on there. The blade features a stonewash finish. It's a nice, usable size, great for hunting, outdoor use, just general purpose. Got a sculpted handle, rubber handle, fits really well in the hand. It's a really nice knife, full tank construction, over molded handle. Again, hard molded sheath, knife snapped right in there. So this is the Ace. And then last couple we'll go over, adding in our multi-tools. So this is the Power Access Deluxe. So last year we introduced the Power Access. This is the Power Access Deluxe. It has a few more components than the Power Access. So it's a little bulkier. Comes with a nylon sheath. You open it up, you have our full-size pliers there. You have our geared compound leverage as well. On the end of the pliers here, you have the bit holder. So you can stick your 1/4 inch bit drivers in there along the center axis. And all of the components open from the outside of the component handles, so you don't have to open the tool handles to get the components. You have a knife blade, you have a straight edge blade, you have a serrated blade, a couple screwdrivers in here, bottle opener, can opener. On the other side here, you have a saw blade, a couple screwdrivers, 1/4 inch socket driver, and all of the components open and lock in the open position. And there's a little lock lever right here. You lift this up, release the lock back in, so you just lift that up. Knife locks back in. All stainless steel construction with a nice stonewash finish. And one cool thing of this, I don't know if most people got on the Power Access, but the Power Access Deluxe has this. There's a little line on here that you can use that lines up with markings on this bracket that you can use it as a protractor. So this line right here, as it lines up with different marks on here, you can use this as a protractor to gauge an angle. So 45 or 90 degrees, 30 degrees, those kinds of things. It's kind of a cool little innovation we added on there. And then the last two I'm going to go over here are the Power Pint and the Power Leader here. These are nice, compact, pocketable multi-tools. So you have a pocket clip on there. It's so small it actually fits in like that fifth pocket on your jeans, like a little watch pocket. It opens up just like our normal geared tools. You have a full-size plier there. It's our geared compound leverage. You can see how smooth this is to open. Just like the Power Access and the Power Access Deluxe, all of the components open up from the outside. So you have a knife blade, an all precision screwdriver, a little strap cutter, a file, and they all lock into position. And to unlock, you have to open it, and then there's a little lock bar right there. You push that down, close the blade. And on the other hand, you have a couple other items. We even included scissors in this one. You have a partially serrated blade as well. So it's a nice little pocketable tool. This is the Power Pint. And I have one more thing I forgot about is also has the 1/4-inch driver right there on the end. And we'll go to the Power Leader. And the Power Leader is just like the Power Pint, except for we lost the scissors on there, but you gain a corkscrew wine opener. And this is a really cool wine opener. You just manually screw that in, and then on the opposite handle, we included the foot for leverage. So you can screw the handle in, use that, and you can pull the wine cork out using the foot and the leverage there. So this goes against the lip of the bottle. When you have the corkscrew in, like that, you can just lift the handle up, pulls the cork out, that gives you a little bit of leverage there. It all folds back up into a pocket again. So this is the Power Leader. Nice little camping, multi-tool, throw in your backpack kind of thing. Throw in the car even, if you're gonna go out and have some wine. So the Power Leader. You have the Power Pint. Those are 2018 products. You can check out more information about them on SOGKnives.com or at KnifeCenter.